19세기 말 대영제국이 전 세계 3분의 2를 지배하던 시기, 아일랜드는 700년간 영국의 지배를 받으며 수없는 반란과 혁명을 시도했는데 모든 것은 실패로 돌아가지만 1916년 이전 실패를 모두 바꿀 만한 게릴라전이 일어납니다. 이 전쟁에 지도하는 마이클 콜린스, 여러분, 오늘은 대한민국 역사와 너무나도 닮은 아일랜드 역사 영화 하나 가져왔습니다. 보시다 보면 진짜 깜짝 놀라십니다. 기대하면서 오늘의 영화 시작합니다.
Keep your hands in the air and your weapons visible at all times. Now ground your arms and take 3 paces back.
Game's over, Harry. Lost again.
Quick march! Now, show me the ringleaders of this little farce.
Get up, you fiendish one. Get up!
Wait, Michael, wait.
Till when?
Till the next time.
Turn your race! Go on!
Eamon de Valera.
그리고 자신에게 지금은 참아야 할 때라고 충고하던 대부까지 끌려가고
What happens next time? We won't play by their rules, Harry. We'll invent our own.
I am ready for what comes. The Irish Republic is a dream no longer. And every one of us brings more people to our side. They cannot imprison us forever. We must act as if the Republic is a fact.
시간은 흐르고 1918년 5월, 마이클 콜린스는 오늘도 아일랜드의 독립을 위해 국민들이 정체성을 잊지 않기를 열변하고 있었습니다.
The fact that the candidate you're being asked to vote for is at this moment rotting in an English jail shouldn't put you off. Sure wasn't I in one myself till a week ago. They can jail us. They can shoot us. But we have a weapon more powerful than any in the whole arsenal of their British Empire. And that weapon is our refusal. Our refusal to bow to any order but our own. Any institution but our own.
마이클의 용변은 진정성 있고 유려했습니다.
Our friends in the Royal Irish Constabulary would like to shoot me up. Yes. Jail me again. Shoot me. Who knows? But I'd like you to send them a message. If they shut me up, who'll take my place? Who is going to take my place? I can't hear you. Who'll take my place? Will they shut you up?
The uniform will be that of the man in the street, the peasant in the field. We'll come out of the crowd, strike the enemy, and vanish back into the crowd again.
What do you propose we strike with?
What have you got? Show me. Jesus, look at this, Harry. Same old story. You need something better. Sean, where's that police barracks?
2 miles down the road.
2 miles down that road. There's an arsenal.
Where the fuck are we supposed to get in? We haven't even got bullets.
Yeah, but they don't know that. What's that?
A sort of turf.
Wrong. That's a weapon. Fucking deadly. You don't believe me?
그들에겐 무기가 필요했습니다. 바로 경찰서 무기고를 털어버리고
Hands in the air.
Drop your weapons!
Now! Come on.
Gentlemen, we'll be relieving you of your responsibilities. Be organized in flying columns. You'll live on the run. You'll engage the enemy on nobody's terms but your own. What's your name? Pat. Whose terms? Terms. I want each one of those to capture 10 more. And I want you to account for every bullet. You understand? Yes. Stand up. You understand?
I'll make a fucking army out of ye if it's the last thing I do.
잠시 후 또 다른 독립운동가들을 만나기 위해 술집으로 가는데
Harry, I want some details.
Behind you.
누군가 자신을 감시하고 있었습니다. 콜린스는 바로 밖으로 나가 숨어 그를 기다립니다.
What's all this, huh?
What's all this?
Names and addresses of the whole cabinet. They're to be lifted tonight. It's an illegal gathering, in open defiance of His Majesty's government.
앞잡이라고 생각했던 그는 오히려 정보를 제공합니다.
Why should I trust you?
Logically, I suppose you shouldn't. But as you said, I've been on your heels for weeks, making notes of your speeches. Let's just say you can be persuasive.
잠시 후 아일랜드 독립운동 수뇌부들이 모여서 회의를 하는데 그들은 콜린스의 게릴라 방식이 무모하다고 생각합니다.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. The minister is, as usual, exceeding his brief.
And just what is my brief, Cahill?
Intelligence.
Bullshit. I'm Minister for Gun Running, Daylight Robbery, and General Mayhem. And until our boys are armed, nothing's going to happen. But as Minister for Intelligence, I'd like to inform you that every man jack of us is to be arrested tonight. Names, addresses, next of kin of the whole cabinet.
How do we know it's genuine?
Well, we don't, Chief, but it could well be.
So nobody sleeps at home tonight.
I disagree.
하지만 오랫동안 감옥에 있었던 지도자 대부는 오히려 이 일이 기회라고 생각합니다.
If Mr. Collins has been gulled, we'll sleep soundly. If not, they will arrest the cabinet. The public outcry will be deafening. Maybe then the world will listen.
Dave, you can't be serious. We've been rotting in English jails for long enough, man.
I am serious.
내부에서 가장 영향력 있는 대부의 말을 거절할 수가 없었습니다. 하지만 잠시 후
Mother of God. Pull it, pull it. Christ, the G-man was right.
There's an illegal arrest by an illegal force of occupation.
It's the safest house in Dublin now. May as well stay the night.
동료들은 또다시 체포되고 남은 건 또다시 해리와 콜린스뿐.
We're the only two left.
I'm changing your brief, Harry. I hereby appoint you Minister for General Mayhem.
And what's your brief?
It's the same, plus one other portfolio. Jailbreaks.
마이클 콜린스는 빈말을 한 남자가 아니었습니다. 곧이어 자신에게 정보를 주었던 스파이를 찾아가는데
So what's your game, Mr. Bry?
Don't have a game.
Why did you give me that list?
Why didn't you act on it?
The cabinet thinks it's more useful in jail.
You obviously don't agree.
Look, all I know is you're from the castle, and the castle spies and informers run us through like woodworm.
What would it take to convince you?
You could show me the castle files.
I'd never get them out.
No? But you could get me in.
Jesus, you're serious.
You think I'm joking?
잠시 후 진짜로 직접 경찰서로 들어가려는 콜린스.
Grand evening.
All right, yeah, not bad.
Is Bry here?
Roy who?
Detective Ned Bry told me to drop by if I had any information.
Who is it?
Grace, sir. John Grace.
Come in, Mr. Grace.
I've information relating to a gutter snipe called Collins.
You're not nervous.
I'm shaking.
Index to the files. Files on the IRB, England, Scotland, America, Irish Volunteers, Sinn Féin, more IRB. I'm going to have to lock you in. If you hear anyone outside, don't make a sound.
Grand soul.
그들은 이미 아일랜드 독립군들의 내부 정보를 전부 다 알고 있었습니다. 심지어
Where's me breakfast?
Time to go, Mick.
Wait a minute. Mick, you're pushing it. Can you get a typist on your side?
Why?
I want every new file copied and sent to me.
I'll try. Now, come on, you've got to leave.
You get squashes in a week. You know that. These files are no good without the G-men who compiled them.
That's rough, all right.
Could you handle it?
After tonight, you could handle anything. Come on.
빅은 마이클 콜린스의 애칭. 두 사람은 이 순간 그만큼 가까워졌다는 이야기.
Jesus Christ, Mick, where the hell have you been?
You're working.
Working where?
I want a file drawn up on every member of the British administration.
Look through whatever you can find. Who's who, stubs, society columns. Joe, take a letter.
Where the hell have you been?
To whom it may concern. This is to inform you that any further collaboration with the forces of occupation will be punishable by death. You have been warned. Signed, the Irish Republican Army.
엄청난 자료들을 보고 콜린스는 느꼈습니다. 먼저 죽여 없애야 할 건 앞잡이들.
Send one to every G-man. Better look at their files. They know more about us than we do. Look at it.
Where'd you get these?
You know how they thrive, don't you?
Informers. We'd have to do it.
동료들은 걱정됐습니다. 왜냐하면 그들도 결국 아일랜드인들이기 때문에 내부 갈등이 될 수 있었지만 그래도 콜린스는
Could you bear it?
It's a joke. No feeling of gutter tonight threatens me. Give us a nang, Ned.
What for?
Someone to hang up and fry like bacon.
그들 역시 가만히 있지 않았습니다. 정보를 이용해 하나씩 막무가내로 독립군들을 잡아들이고
Don't threaten us, you Fenian swine. We threaten you.
What's this mean?
That means you can get out now.
What?
Give up our jobs. And miss out on all of the fun!
잠시 후 엄청난 구타와 고문 끝에 풀려난 톰.
Tommy.
Oh, wait. I know. Come on.
이제 독립운동가들은 엄청나게 분노합니다.
Any of ye who've read Irish history will know that movements like ours have always been destroyed by paid spies and informers. And I want to set up an outfit that'll rectify that. Your job will be to wreck the system of information the castle uses against us.
They're stupid enough to stay in the castle. Then they'll be shot.
And you will have to do the shooting.
그리고 그 작전을 곧바로 실행합니다.
May the Lord have mercy on your soul.
상대는 경찰들. 가만히 있을 리가 없었습니다.
Raise! Out! Out! Everybody else! Come on! Move! Fucking get out!
Give me the mail, would you?
That's for the job on Friday.
이렇게 양측의 갈등이 점점 더 격화되지만 믹은 여기서 멈출 생각이 없습니다.
Did it ever strike you were good at it?
Good at what?
Bloody mayhem?
We haven't seen anything yet. I hate whoever put a gun in young Vinnie Burns' hand. I know it's me, and I hate myself for it. I hate them for making hate necessary. And I'll do what I have to end it. Kev, 2 minutes to the next watch.
그리고 콜린스의 또 다른 계획, 대부를 탈출시키는 것.
The bleeding key broke, Dev.
I'll try mine. Emergency supply.
Oh, man, but you were blessed.
이제 이 세 명은 유명 인사가 되었습니다. 그런데 갑자기 대부가 미국에 간다는 소식을 듣게 되는데
Dev, you can't do this to me.
I want to petition the American public for their support. I want recognition from President Wilson for an Irish republic. I want the moral force of international opinion brought to bear on the British government.
There's only one kind of force they understand, and you know it. Our job is at home.
And as President of the Irish Republic, I want recognition from the President of the United States.
Go on to America then, blast you. But leave me, Boland.
What's so special about Harry?
I know my men, and I can't do it without him.
Do what?
I can't run a war without Harry Boland.
You could run it without me.
대부는 외교를 통해 아일랜드를 독립시킬 수 있다고 믿고 있었습니다.
Harry, come on, move. Dev, come on, get him out. Gee, come on.
하지만 정보를 입수한 경찰들이 그들을 그냥 두지 않습니다. 대부가 미국으로 가기 직전 그들을 급습하는데 독립운동가들은 이미 집을 빠져나와 대부를 빼돌립니다.
Dev, remember one thing over there. You're my chief, always. Come on. Oh.
결국 놓쳐버린 경찰들, 이제는 복수가 시작됩니다.
Come on, move. Since you Dublin boyos can't sort out this Collins, I suppose it's up to us. There's a new regime in here, and it's starting now.
하지만 독립군들은 이제 거칠 것이 없었습니다.
Passport. Your name's Harry Klein until you get there, right?
Right.
I've had a birth cert done for you, and some bits and pieces, money and the like.
그리고 콜린스는 해리를 보내줄 수밖에 없었습니다.
I can't do without you, I told him that.
Why do you think he chose me?
He's scared to leave the two of us together. We might achieve that republic he wants to talk to the world about. We're filling up the castle from Belfast, Harry. Things will get rough.
해리가 떠나고 이곳엔 영국 정보부가 더 강력한 반독립 강경파이자 더 잔혹한 북아일랜드의 영국 지지 조직 벨패스트 요원들을 파견하는데, 하지만 독립을 바라는 지역 사람들이 그들을 반겨줄 리 없었습니다.
Fuck's sake, we put up with these bollocks every fucking day.
Doesn't he have a face, this Collins?
Sir. This the best you've got?
Fred so, sir.
Well, thank you, boy. That'll be all.
Bry, sir. Bry.
그들은 아예 콜린스에 대한 정보가 없었습니다.
I trouble you for a light, sir. 자.
심지어 눈앞에 그가 있어도 알아보지 못할 정도로.
This is Rosie, Mr. Collins.
Hey, Rosie, how are you? Sit down.
Tell him about Mr. Soames, Rosie.
반대로 콜린스는 벨패스트의 수장 솜즈에 대해 캐고 다니기 시작하고.
What time does he get up in the morning?
I come in at 9. He's washing, you see, behind the screen, so I don't see him.
Show him what you got from the basket, Rosie.
God bless you, Rosie. You'll get one chance and one only, and I don't need to tell you it's either them or us. We hit them at daybreak, so if anyone's not up for it, let them say so now. Nobody tonight stays in the usual places. Bonds, Crow Street, Cleary's Pub. If any of us are lifted, we're dead. Understood. Tom.
Okay, let's go.
Why is it Bry?
Bry, sir. Good night, sir.
한편 솜즈도 뭔가를 눈치챘습니다. 그리고 브로이를 이중 스파이로 의심하는데,
Stay on him.
자신이 의심당한 것을 눈치챈 브로이는 모든 자료들을 불태워버리려고 하지만
What was on the paper, Paddy?
Words. Just words.
The trouble with the Irish, sing at the drop of a hat, ask them to talk, and they won't.
독립군들의 반격도 시작됩니다.
Hang on, Rosie.
Any casualties?
Right.
Huh?
Yes, fucking right.
They lifted him at Vaughan's.
수장까지 죽은 벨패스트 요원들은 더 이상 참을 수가 없었습니다. 이제는 마을 사람들이 단체로 축구 구경을 하는 곳으로 쳐들어가서 마을의 모든 사람들을 그대로 난사해버립니다.
Can't risk it any longer, Mick.
Who'll give in first, Joe? Us or them? body of the lash.
콜린스는 멈출 생각이 없었습니다. 얼마 뒤 든든한 지원군인 해리까지 미국에서 돌아오고
Welcome back, Harry.
How you keeping, Mick?
Grand.
You all right? You're famous over there now.
Over where?
Over there, you tick.
Dev never got to meet the president, did he? I didn't think he would. How are you? Grand.
그리고 대부도 돌아왔습니다.
We'll see who is the big fella. We have had some communication from the British side. There is a slim possibility that they might want to talk. But our tactics allow the British press to paint us as murderers. If we are to negotiate as a legitimate government, our armed forces must act like a legitimate army.
What exactly do you mean, Dev?
I mean large-scale engagements.
You mean like in 1916? The great heroic ethic of failure. All marching in step towards slaughter. Why don't we save them all the bother and blow our own brains out?
How dare you!
How do you think we even got them to this point, where they'll even consider talking? We've brought them to their knees the only way we could.
They call us murderers.
War is murder, sheer bloody murder. Have you been here for the past year? You'd know that.
노선은 완전히 갈립니다. 전면전을 벌이자는 대부와 게릴라전을 이어가자는 콜린스.
I propose an assault on the administrative center of British rule in Ireland.
권력으로 찍어 눌러버리는 대부.
The Customs House.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
How many we lose?
6 dead, 70 taken. Bloody fiat. Oh, Christ, not again. Come on.
What about the guns? Leave the guns. We need the guns. Leave them.
How much longer can we hold out?
4 weeks, but keep it a secret.
As little as that.
Unless you want to see us bows and arrows.
Don't be flippant, Michael.
They lost nearly 80 men last week, Dave.
콜린스의 예상대로 전면전은 완전히 실패하고 희생만 나았을 뿐입니다. 심지어
I lied, Harry. I doubt if we can hold out for another week.
Christ, did I know that?
Nobody knows.
Mick, Dev's negotiating.
Yes, so he doesn't know either. And it's very important that he doesn't know, Harry. The world has to believe we're invincible.
며칠 만에 휴식을 취하고 있었던 믹. 그런데
Jesus Christ, Mick, where the hell have you been? God's sake, Joe, would you give me one free night to be a human being?
We've been covered the city for you. Have you heard?
No, I haven't heard. With the bloody Irish Republic, give me some time off. I've been working my... It's over. What's over? What do you mean?
It's over. They called a truce.
휴전이라니 이건 아일랜드가 승리했다는 이야기입니다. 드디어 꿈에나 그리던 아일랜드의 승리.
You mean we've won? Lloyd George is thrown in the towel?
We've brought the British Empire to its knees.
Yes.
Why the fuck didn't you say so?
수많은 아일랜드 국민들의 피로 이뤄낸 결과였습니다. 그런데
No, I won't do it. I'm not a politician. I'm not going to London.
You're the strongest card we have.
You go, Dev. You're the statesman. You've got some sense of how far we can push them. They know you.
That's the whole point. They don't know you. You will head our team, Michael. To negotiate a treaty for the first time in history between Ireland and England.
4개월이라는 시간이 흐르고 협상을 끝내고 돌아온 마이클 콜린스. 그런데 협상 결과는
I did my best, Kitty, but I'm sure my best won't be good enough. We'll have an Irish Free State instead of an Irish Republic. We'll have our own government.
but we have to swear allegiance to the English crown. The position of the North will be reviewed, but at the moment remains part of the British Empire.
Nick, is this true?
It's the best anyone could have got, Harry.
Oh, Mick. This gives up the North. Divides the country. Do you seriously expect us to give an oath of allegiance to the crown?
They can't give us the Republic. It's not within their comprehension. And that's why Dev sent me, Mick.
What are you talking about?
He knew they wouldn't give us the Republic. That's why he sent me. He wanted someone else to bring back the bad news. We'll have an Irish Free State, a government of our own, and we can use it to achieve whatever republic we want. It's either this or war.
그리고 데브는 마치 불안 듯이 엄청나게 분노합니다.
You published the terms without my agreement.
And what's more, Dev, you sent me there because you knew they were the best we could get.
That is idle speculation.
No, it's the truth. Otherwise, you would have gone yourself. When I agreed to go to London, you said we could negotiate on behalf of our government, the Dáil, and the Irish people. If they reject it, I'll reject it. But if they stand by it, I'll stand by it. And I want to know that you'll do the same.
콜린스는 이것이 처음부터 데브의 작전이었음을 확신합니다. 그리고 이것을 돌파하기로 결심하고 이 일을 국회로 끌고 갑니다.
In the letters that preceded the negotiations, not once was the demand for recognition of the Irish Republic.
So Mr. Collins is asking us to accept an oath of allegiance to a foreign king and the partition of the northern part of the country.
Mr. Collins, the man who won the recent war, has himself described the treaty as a stepping stone towards the ultimate freedom.
Mr. Griffith has described Mr. Collins as the man who won the war.
On a point of order, Mr. Chairman. Are we discussing the treaty or discussing myself?
The minister does not like what I have to say.
Anything that can be said about me, say it.
Mr. Collins, the position you had in the army was as chief of one of the subsections. One person was held up by the press and put into a position he never held. He was made a romantic figure. Sit down, a mystical character, which he certainly is not.
Make me a scapegoat, if you will. Call me a traitor, if you will. But please, let's save the country. The alternative to this treaty is a war which nobody in this gathering can even contemplate. If the price of freedom, the price of peace, is the blackening of my name, I will gladly pay it.
자신의 모든 걸 희생해서라도 전쟁을 끝내고 자유를 얻을 수만 있다면 뭐든지 하겠다는 마이클 콜린스의 이 한마디, 그가 걸어온 길을 모두 아는 사람들은 이 말에 설득됩니다.
The result, ladies and gentlemen, is 64 to 57 in favor of the treaty.
There is one thing I want to say. As a protest against the ratification of this treaty, which can only subvert the Republic, I and my deputies are going to leave this house.
Traitors! Traitors all!
민주주의를 받아들이지 못하는 사람들, 그런데 그 속에는 충격적인 인물도 있었습니다.
Not you, Harry.
자신과 평생을 함께해온 해리마저도 그를 이렇게 떠납니다. (1922년) 드디어 아일랜드 자치군 더블린 성 안에 영국 국기가 내려갑니다.
You're 7 minutes late, Mr. Collins. You've kept us waiting 700 years. You can have your 7 minutes. Right, let's get this over with. So that's what caused all the bother, huh?
This treaty bars the way to the Republic with the blood of fellow Irishmen.
하지만 절대로 인정하지 않는 대부는 또다시 반대하는 시민들을 데리고 끝까지 싸울 것을 종용합니다. 심지어
If it is only with civil war that we can get our independence, then so be it, through the blood of some members of this government, in order to get Irish freedom.
그렇게 조약안은 통과되었지만 대부와 추종자들은 절대로 받아들이지 못하고 결국 포커츠까지 장악하는 초강수를 줍니다.
What's taking over the forecourt?
You fucking fool, you.
Mind your language.
Right, mate, come on, man. Do you want to start a civil war?
Will you defend the Republic?
Forget about the Republic. These kids have never seen a gun before.
We know how to train them.
Oh, the way I trained you. Where'd you get your orders from?
The volunteer executive.
Dev's part of it, eh? His half of it. Go away home to your mothers. All of you.
It's happened. The army is split down the middle. Who's in there? Mellows, Lynch, Tom Barry, Oscar Trainer.
이제는 방법이 없었습니다. 내전으로 이어질 수밖에 없었는데 마이클 콜린스는
I will not fight against men I trained with, I fought with.
The people have spoken, Mr. Collins, overwhelmingly, for the treaty you brought home. They've occupied the forecourts, half of O'Connell Street, Limerick, Cork. It's anarchy out there.
Better anarchy than civil war.
Churchill has offered us artillery.
Christ, like Churchill do his own dirty work.
Maybe he will, Michael.
지난 세월 자신과 함께 피를 흘려온 동료들에게 총을 겨눈다는 건 죽기보다 싫은 것이었습니다. 어떻게든 막고 싶었습니다.
Harry, stop the car. Who was your toll? Harry, talk to me, will you?
I don't want any bullshit, Nick.
Neither do I.
Come upstairs. I miss the way it used to be.
Me too. You tell me you're Dev's right-hand man, no? First time in my life I'm scared. You told me once that I was good at bloody mayhem.
Right.
I left the Brits in a halfpenny place, and that's what I'm scared of, because once I start, there'll be no stopping me.
Don't you let it start, then. Tear up that treaty.
It's the only thing we've got.
So then it starts.
What?
We fight.
They fight, we don't.
Say what you had to say, and you can go now, Mick.
Listen to me. Listen, please, listen to me. You don't know what
I have nothing more to say to you. Get out!
Do it, kid. Do it!
Put the gun
Leave
down.
it all on the
Put that
Come
gun
on, do
down.
it.
Put the gun down. You don't hear me? I said put the gun down!
그들이 지금껏 피를 나누었던 관계는 이렇게 완전히 끝나버렸습니다.
Do it!
Fire! Fire!
그리고 평화가 시작된 지 얼마 되지 않아서 또다시 피비린내 나는 내전이 시작됩니다.
How would you like a new costume?
지난 몇 년간 끝없이 부족한 병력과 부족한 물자로도 영국에 엄청난 타격을 입힐 만한 전투를 이끌어온 마이클 콜린스. 그가 자신보다 더 적은 병력과 더 적은 물자를 가진 상대에게 밀릴 리가 없었습니다. 금세 완전히 승기를 잡아버리고 해리 역시 궁지에 몰리게 됩니다. 그날 밤 대부 측은 거의 괴멸되었습니다. 혼자 남은 상태로 도망치는 해리.
A load of them shot their way through to the docks heading for the catacombs. He thinks Harry was with them.
Come on, let's go.
Mick, it's not safe.
Come on, let's go.
Mick, we'll never get through.
Come on, come on.
해리는 어떻게든 하수구를 통해서 포위망을 뚫어보려고 하지만 평생을 아일랜드 독립을 위해 싸워온 해리는 이렇게 마지막을 맞이합니다.
Calm down, won't you, little big fella?
What happened? You closed your eyes.
He was trying to make it across the river, sir. I saw him and plugged him from above.
I didn't ask you, I asked him.
You asked who?
I fucking asked him!
Well, he's dead.
You killed him, you little uniform git. You plugged him, you little Free State gobshite. You were meant to protect him.
But he was one of them, sir.
No, Sonny.
You don't understand. He was one of us.
Tell Dave Mick wants to talk. Nothing more, nothing less.
Not in Dublin.
Where then?
West Cork. There might be a chance.
Yeah, he'd never get out of there alive.
So doesn't he come from there?
That's like bandit country.
They're the bandits that he trained, aren't they?
Maybe, but Mick doesn't know the new boys.
Well, he's gonna have to get to know them now, isn't he?
They say if you went to Cork, it'd be a possibility.
Cork? Oh, fuck. They wouldn't kill me in my own county, sure.
That's where it all started, Joe. Finian's stories by the fireside. Is that your home? Was, till the Tans burned it.
미익은 자신의 고향이자 독립운동의 투신한 시작점인 이곳에 다시 왔습니다.
The name of God, what are you doing here, Nick?
Sir, haven't I a civil war to run? Come on, it's my round.
Flog us that bloody treaty, have you?
I'm flogging fuck all. I've come to buy. Drinks for the county on me.
그런 미익을 지켜보고 있는 사람이 있었습니다. 조는 조용히 그를 불러내고
And who are you?
What if I need to know this, Dev? What would you have to say to him?
Tell him that Harry Boland's death was enough. Tell him that Mick Collins says he wants to stop this bloody mayhem. Tell him I'm sorry I didn't bring back the Republic. But nobody could have.
그는 이제 정말 끝내고 싶었습니다. 이 지긋지긋한 전쟁을.
He was my chief always. I would have followed him to hell if he'd asked me. And maybe I did.
그가 볼 때 이미 이곳이 지옥이었습니다.
So I take it you heard?
Jesus, Mick.
He says he'll meet you tomorrow.
What's wrong with now?
His nerves are at him.
이제 드디어 이 전쟁을 끝낼 수 있을 겁니다. 마이클 콜린스는 데브를 만나러 갑니다.
Watch out. Wavy stop. Wavy stop. Roadblock. Move them. How long? 2 minutes.
They're trying to fucking kill me.
Get down.
Ah, jeez! Mick! Oh, Mick! Ah, Mick. Come on, talk to me, Mick. Oh, don't go on this, Mick, please! No!
지금까지 이 영화가 130분 정도 하는데 제가 40분으로 줄였거든요. 근데 한 인물을 빼먹었습니다. 해리와 콜린스가 모두 사랑했던 여자인데 콜린스에 집중하기 위해서 뺀 것도 있고 만약 그녀 이야기까지 넣으면 한 60분 정도 될 것 같은데 저번에 보니까 댓글로 2시간짜리 영화를 1시간으로 리뷰하는 게 어딨냐, 짧게 좀 해라, 막 이런 식의 댓글들이 있고 여자 이야기는 빼도 스토리에 전혀 문제가 없기 때문에 줄여봤는데 다른 분들 생각은 어떠신지 궁금합니다. 저는 여러분의 댓글 하나하나를 전부 소중하게 생각하는 영화 중독이었습니다. 무조건 짧게 하는 게 여러분들이 좋을까요? 그건 아닐 것 같은데.